Good evening, everyone from beautiful Kentucky. It's a Thursday. We made a fast trip up here from Georgia. We're getting changed right now, about to head off in the thicket and see if we can't get a hold of one. We've already seen 3 gobblers out in the field with hens in our prime spot, but we moved over to a different place because we didn't want to booger them up for the morning. And we're going to go dive in here and see if we can't strike something up. Never hunted here before, but we're going to try it. Yep. It's next morning. Seen 3 gobblers out in one of these fields yesterday. We're going to go after them. We're going to go get them. There's a point of woods out here. They were standing in about 5 o'clock yesterday evening. We're going to get out there before the sun even gets up. It's like 4:30 now. We're going to be below these birds, so I don't know how we're going to call them down to us if there's no other option. It's either bust them off the roost, get in the wide open woods, or try to call them downhill. And we're going to try to call them downhill. All right, let's do this, man. Let's go in there and see if we can knock one's head. Dead eye level with us right there.
If we'd have known, we could have come right out that road.
I know.
Sat right over there on the fence line in them rocks.
Mm-hmm.
How far? They're back there.
Oh.
Right behind you toward the shed.
Okay. Oh yeah, I hear them.
Is that them right
Yeah. No, they just gobbled up there.
there in the road right there?
I gotta try to turn around.
Turn around, you're good.
The gobblers are up there. They just gobbled. Up the top.
Okay, they're gonna go right there. Just go back down that way.
They're about here 11 o'clock somewhere. On the side of the hill.
Oh, we come this way instead of going that way.
Well, it's okay, either one. It don't matter. As long as they're here, we're in the game. They might come, them gobblers. I got this decoy set up right here so I don't get busted.
No, just stay right here. They're liable to come right down the road like they did. They're just right there. Can you see them yet? Do it. Good job. Congrats, dude.
Son, I was standing up. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was standing there and that's Strutter.
What?
Did you have him?
Barely. I was sitting down. I could see his fan though.
He was standing there looking at me.
I'm sure.
I was standing against a tree. I couldn't see the other two. I thought he was in range.
Oh yeah, he was in range. Hell yeah. You fouled him up. Get his fan messed up. Yeah, you corkscrewed him.
Yeah, he faced me just like
Yeah,
I shot
man.
him in the face.
Damn, other one flew off.
Hey,
I took out of here.
he hit the dam.
That's a beast. That's a stud.
Thanks, man. It worked. I didn't think it was gonna work. I thought they was gone.
No, he was just standing right here.
Yeah, they stand
They're
there.
standing all right in here.
Huh?
They was all right here.
Yeah.
You blowed his face up, man. What'd you shoot him with?
And heavy shots. That's the first one of them I ever shot.
Yeah, you fouled him up pretty good. I could see him. I could see the one behind his head. I could see his fan in the very tip top of his head out there.
It was just perfect. I was hoping you could see it, and they would have probably come on, but he kept looking down there. I was good. I had to come up. I had my gun like this. I come up on him. He never moved.
Cool. You got a freaking rope.
Well, boys, 4 gobblers came in. One of them didn't make it. So we got the big one.
Oh, we got lucky. We got a blessing. We was between the hens and the gobblers. The gobblers come in above us, got out here in their strut zone in the woods, gobbled 45 minutes. Oh, finally hen broke and come down 15 steps from us. And I was able to stand up behind the tree and get the strutter. Oh, he's a big one, big a turkey as you're gonna kill. We up here on Gentry Farms, it's a good place to hunt. We're blessed to know these people. They're good people, Kentucky people. And Walker got us in here and used the terrain. Anyway, we got him, blessed. Tater Ridge out.